Did you know you can also talk to your bot using voice notes? To do this, we'll need to enable audio transcription. This is best done by just simply asking your OpenClaw bot to do this and give an explanation so it has the context. So we'll say, enable audio transcription in the settings so that I can send you voice messages and you can understand them. Here it added audio transcription using OpenAI Whisper, but you could also use FFmpeg for audio transcription if you don't have OpenAI set up. Your bot will provide you with that as an option, and you can have it walk you through the setup process for that. Now that it's got OpenAI Whisper set up, we'll restart. Again, send a hello. That way we know when it comes back online. And now the audio transcription should be available. Let's send it a voice message. Hi there, Greg. How's it going? Can you hear me? There we go. We can see that it transcribed the message. Now, the next thing we can do is if you want your bot to talk back, you can set up text-to-speech with Edge TTS. It's completely free, supports over 300 voices in 74 languages, and runs inside Docker. All you have to do is ask your bot. Set up Edge TTS for voice responses so you can talk back when I send voice memos. It's got it set up. Again, we need to send a quick restart prompt. And just to test it out, we'll send our hello this time via voice. Hey there, Greg, can you hear me? How's it going? And this time it comes back with a voice response. Let's listen to it.
Yeah, I can hear you perfectly. All good here, voice responses are working now. Crown.
Honestly, kind of funny that it responds with the crown emoji as part of the narration, but there it is. Now you can talk to your bot and it can talk back to you.